Today we are going to discuss English sentences for daily use. Let's get started. I have to go. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. Come with me. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Drop me home. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. I am at home. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. Where are you? तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? I want to do something. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something. Don't waste your time. अपना वक्त ज़ाया ना करें. Don't waste your time. That's enough. बहुत हो गया. That's enough. Enjoy yourself. अपने आप से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो. Enjoy yourself. Have patience. सब्र करो. Have patience. Call me up. मुझे कॉल करे. Call me up. Let me out. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me out. I have to think about everything. मुझे हर चीज़ के बारे में सोचना है. I have to think about everything. By the way. वैसे. By the way. Who did it? किसने किया? Who did it? Let me do this. मुझे ये करने दो. Let me do this. I don't agree. मैं मुत्तफ़िक़ नहीं हूँ. I don't agree. You can sit here. आप यहाँ बैठ सकते हैं. You can sit here. Keep distance from them. इनसे फासिला रखें. Keep distance from them.